to buy Brawl Pass with credit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy Brawl Pass using your credit card. So first of all, just open your Brawl Star account, and after that just simply log into your account using your Supercell ID. And after that, once you are logged into your account, just go to the shop section from the left hand side of the screen, and you can explore the shop section and see what all are the options that are there in order for you to buy. Since you want to buy Brawl Passes, just simply click on the first option that you will see which says Brawl Pass. And over here you have two different options. Either you can go ahead and buy the entry level of the Brawl Pass, which will cost you around $5.99, or you can go ahead and buy the advanced level of the Brawl Pass, which is called Brawl Pass Plus, which will cost you around $8.99. So just simply select the one of the Brawl Pass that you would want to buy. For example, you want to buy the first one, just simply click on it. And as soon as you click on the first one, you will be able to see the payment method option right in front of you as a pop-up menu. And over here under the payment method section, you will be able to see different options of the payment method. Since you want to make the purchase using your credit card, just simply click on add credit or debit card, and after that just simply add your credit card details like your credit card number, expiration date, CVC code and other details. And once you are done entering the card details, just simply click on continue and just make the purchase happen, and this way you will be able to make the payment. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to buy Brawl Pass with your credit card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.